Are you facing issues with Messenger notes not showing up on your Android or iOS device? Let's troubleshoot this problem together with some simple steps. First, ensure that your Messenger app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Messenger, and update it if there's a new version available. If Messenger notes still aren't showing, try restarting your device. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve software glitches. Next, check your internet connection. Messenger notes require a stable internet connection to sync properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that makes a difference. If the issue persists, try clearing the cache and data of your Messenger app. Go to your device's settings, find Messenger in the app list, and clear its cache and data. This will reset the app to its default state. Another troubleshooting step is to log out of Messenger and log back in. This can refresh your account settings and resolve any temporary issues. If Messenger notes are still not showing, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the Messenger app. This will ensure that you have the latest version installed without any corrupted files. Lastly, if none of the above steps work, reach out to Messenger support for further assistance. They may be able to provide specific solutions or insights into the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix Messenger notes not showing on your Android or iOS device.